Okay, so I figured I'd do an update on the Wemo. The app's been updated multiple times and the firmware a couple times. Okay, so the app, uh, okay, so load times for the app are still ridiculously slow, but latency on Wi-Fi is now almost instant. Okay, so watch. Off, on, off. Okay, um, on data, so Wi-Fi's off, data. On data, it's still pretty fast, though it sometimes takes a while. So, yeah. The rules now work, like, without... Okay, so before, they'd sometimes work, and sometimes it'd randomly turn on and off. But now, they actually work normally, as you'd expect. But load time still takes forever. And light still works. There's like a blue light when it's off, and green light when it's on.